Hi guys, NCWQ here, and I have y'all looking at EMSC. And we're looking at the earthquakes that have occurred today for California, which would be northern, southern, Channel Islands region. And we're just going to go over them real quick. So for today, there has been 6 that I can see on here through EMSC. We'll start with the first one, and yes, these are all in the 2 range. We'll start with the first one, which was a 2.1, and it was 3 kilometers deep. And we'll put these in on Google Earth and see what areas they're in. So this one appears to be up nearby Clear Lake. You can also see that there appears to be some oil wells on this area. We'll look back over in this way a little bit. Don't know, maybe. There's no street sign here, so can't do the street level. But anyways, there is definitely stuff going on over in here. And we can see that right here, we're going to go back a little bit. This is the Rogers Creek Fault Zone. So we're going to drop a pen for this one. That way we can look at these afterwards. Okay, there we go. And our next one was a 2.0, and it was 8 kilometers deep. And this one is down here around El Centro, or Imperial Valley, also around the Salton Sea area, and this is a transform fault that goes through here as well. So it's hitting right next to a transform fault. That transform fault runs up, and I believe this is San Andreas fault, so the San Andreas fault starts through here where the transform fault is. So we are going to drop a pin here too. Also going to see if there's any road. No road. Nope, no road to go look at. We do have city over here though. Lots of houses. Let's go peek. Any views here? Oh, we have a view here. Okay, so we'll go here. Just because. Feeling special. Because our earthquake lives out that way somewhere. See, there's where our earthquake was, and that's where we were at. Okay, so our next earthquake. Did I drop my pen for that one? I hope I did. Let me make sure. Yep, I did. Okay. This one was a 2.0 at 8 kilometers deep. The next one is a 2.0 and it was 5 kilometers deep. We got up here. But we have a lake up here. This is Vail Lake. It's a large reservoir in western Riverside County, California, located on Temecula Creek in the Santa Margarita River watershed. Vail Lake is supplied by stormwater runoff from Kolb, Temecula, and Wilson Creeks. Okay. That's Wilson Creek there. Butterfield Valley is here. Then down here by where we were at is Palomar Observatory. Palomar Observatory is a privately owned observatory located in San Diego County, California, 90 miles southeast of Pasadena's Mount Wilson Observatory and the Palomar mountain range. At approximately 5,570 feet in elevation, it is owned and operated by the California Institute of Technology. Research time is granted to Caltech and its research partners, which include the Jet Propulsion Laboratory and Cornell University. The observatory currently consists of 3 large telescopes, the 200 in Halley telescope, the 48 in Samuel Oschin telescope, and the 60 in reflecting telescope. In addition, the Palomar testbed interferometer and other instruments are located at this observatory. An 18 in Schmidt telescope, Palomar Observatory, first telescope dating from 1936, is no longer observational. How interesting. And we have an earthquake occurring near there. And this is Palomar Mountain right there. Let's see if we can do a... This is interesting. That's the observatory right here. That's like really totally cool. Okay, so... And this is Palomar Fire Stations right there. Then the earthquake was down away from it. Totally interesting. Okay, so on our way to our next earthquake, and that was a 2.0 at 5 kilometers deep. Our next one was a 2.2, 7 kilometers deep. This one is out in the ocean. It's in the sea, it's in the sea. We shall see what's in the sea. This one is off land. And that's the San Andreas Fault there. We have an island over here. What's this island? Santa Barbara Island. That's Santa Barbara Island. Santa Cruz Island. This little earthquake was just out there by itself. Okay. Well, we're gonna drop a pin on it. Okay, that was the 2.2 Channel Islands region, California. It was 43 kilometers south of Thousand Oaks. The next one was at 2.4, and it was 10 kilometers deep. This could be interesting. What do we got here? Okay, we're going to put our pin on it first. Well, we got Missing Mountains. Let's see what we got in this area. We got Latour Butte. We got Whitmore over here, but we got Latour Butte over here. And Latour Butte is an andesitic lava cone northwest of Lassen National Park. It was probably active 1 to 2 million years ago. Interesting. Let's see if we can get a better look. Well, interesting. What else we got? Looks like a lake here. No, maybe not. Nope, not. Wait a minute, what was that? Soda Springs is here. Hot Flash Gun Refinishing Services. South Cow Creek Campground is over there. I see a road through here. See the road? There's a road through here. No spots though. Okay, so we moving on to the next one. And that was the 2.4, which was 10 kilometers deep. We're moving on to our last one, which was a 2.3, 21 kilometers deep. We gonna put a pin on it. Got Burnt Ranch and Cedar Flat over here. This is Humboldt County, California here. Six Rivers National Forest is there. Let's take a look at this area. So this is interesting. Mad River. Sorry, you guys, I just like looking at the tops of some areas sometimes, especially when there's nothing else to look at to see what could have caused the earthquake. I'm noticing that there's a river here, and I always thought earthquakes a lot of times occur on areas where there's water too, with land. Anywho, that was the last earthquake I have for you guys. So we're gonna go all the way back out. We're gonna take a look at all the areas that I marked in yellow. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we had 3 pretty much north end and 3 towards the south end. We had 1 that was in the water here. And these 2, if you could look at it, they're coming off of the area here. Anyways, you guys, I hope y'all are doing well. Just a real quick update. California's quakes today. Please remember to take good care of yourselves and take care of each other.